look inside?
No.
You just pick a box.
Just pick a box.
Okay, this one's heavy.
We just picked up these Amazon coffins. They're total mystery boxes, so today we're gonna open them up and see what's inside.
And we're gonna do a little friendly competition, Sarah versus Jamie, and see whose MSRP is higher.
So if you're wondering what an Amazon coffin is, it is a mystery box of Amazon returns. They're small little boxes compared to the giant pallets we usually buy to resell, but they're a little bit different because a lot of times it's a newer product that's inside these. And we picked boxes that have a lithium battery sticker on them. So we're hoping maybe, I mean, I've always dreamt of getting like an iPad or something. We'll see if that dream finally comes true. So we're gonna open our boxes at the same time, see what we get inside, compare our retail values. Hopefully I win because my box, I feel, is better than Sarah's.
So we got all of our pallets, including this Amazon coffin from Grand Rapids Pallet Liquidation. Go check him out. He's in Grand Rapids. He's awesome. He's got some goodies. So let's get to opening.
See what we got.
I'm so nervous. Neat. Hold on. Wait for me. Wait for me.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Whoa.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, interesting.
Here, flip your thing down.
Yeah, okay.
That way. And
There
then
we
we'll
go.
switch it up. Okay.
All right. They are smaller items.
There's 2 of these in this box, so let's see what it is. Flip up mount bike hanger.
Or that would actually be nice for our garage.
Yeah.
We need to hang some bikes up for winter. So.
That's true.
All right. You
Can't
got 2
keep
of those?
everything though.
That's true. Yeah, you should resell things that you open in pallets, not keep them.
Unless you really need it. But I have 2 of these in here. So
we'll add up the retail values. We'll have each one of us have a counter.
yep.
See who has more.
Okay. There's not that many items in
those,
here.
okay.
Less than I was expecting. What you got?
All right, I need the knife.
Okay.
Okay, in mine, this is, I have no idea what. Trash bags.
Okay.
Simple Human, I'm guessing maybe environmentally friendly?
Okay.
No? Trash bags, okay. Not great so far, okay.
Okay.
Okay, you go.
Me? Okay. All right, looks like I got a baby monitor system that's been returned.
VTech. Okay.
Yep, not like a video system, so these ones aren't as expensive. We'll see if they actually work, but
Looks like it's all there.
yeah, not nothing. Yep.
That's maybe like, what, 30 bucks max?
Well,
right?
maybe 50.
Maybe,
Yeah, I'll have
okay.
to double check that.
Okay.
Okay.
This looks interesting here.
What you got?
Pasta machine, all right. Some pasta.
Sweet.
Hand crank. I'm gonna
Look,
open it up and
yeah,
make sure
see if
that's
it-
in there.
Well, and see if it's used too. I mean, even
yeah,
if it's
it could
used,
be
you
used,
could
yeah.
resell it, but
Hard to say if it's, yeah.
maybe one.
It might have been used once and then returned, but it's all there. Looks pretty legit.
All right, let's see what we got. This high-end suits, men's waistcoat trouser set.
Sweet. That looks like white pants. Look at that.
You want to try
What's
it
a
on?
waistcoat? Is that like a sport coat?
I don't know.
Sweet.
Should we check it out?
I don't think we can resell that for very much, and it's gonna be Halloween soon, and it's,
No way. It might be like a men's linen suit.
no, it's not. It's made
Well,
in China.
it's supposed to look like linen, I'm saying.
All right, if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm gonna try this on. Looks pretty sweet. All right, my turn. To go along with my pasta maker, we have pizza stone tiles, which we have a pizza oven we use all the time, and we need these actually.
Yes, we do.
So that is pretty sweet.
Highly recommend pizza ovens. If you are thinking about taking the plunge, it's like our favorite thing we
love
own.
using ours. Yep, we use it more than our grill, so.
Yeah, all right. What do we got?
More clothes? for
Yep.
you? Bummer, sorry.
Yeah. Where's my lithium battery?
I think the VTech was your lithium
Oh,
battery.
bummer. Women's shapewear bodysuit.
Okay,
Okay.
well there you go.
Shapewear.
Word search, brain games, and it's shredded. It looks like a mouse or animal got to it, or a child perhaps.
Okay.
So, brain games, but destroyed. So that's a
Okay.
bust there. Okay.
Okay.
What do you got?
I don't know.
Not very
More
many stuff.
clothes.
I think I won, guys. She doesn't have very many items.
Yeah, shoot. All right, more clothes. Let's see what's in this one.
Is that the undershirt? Maybe we have a whole outfit here.
It might be. It totally is. Oh, wait.
So, is it medium?
What's happening?
Whoa.
Whoa, it's like a jumpsuit. Whoa, what's happening?
Oh, you can wear that at the end. Ooh, that's sweet.
What is it?
It's like a garage suit. Look at that. It's like a garage jumpsuit.
Sweet.
You're wearing that. Sweet. You're going to want to stick around to the end, guys. It's going to be quite the show.
Oh, boy.
Looks like we have a very, very short hose.
Put that down there.
Maybe to go very short hose. I don't know why you would need such a short hose, but it's a very short hose. I'm going to open a couple here.
Yeah. What's that?
What is that? Some little
bitties.
little
Command.
things.
Hey, easy.
What do we got?
I see some Pumas.
What?
Sorry.
You can't get,
I'll wait. Sorry.
She can't look in my box.
My box stinks.
Ooh. Better go wash my hands. It's an exploded cream of some kind.
Ooh. Hey.
Hand cream.
Hand cream.
It could have been much worse. But 2 exploded hand creams.
2 of them.
Yeah, I'm still gonna go wash my hands, I think.
Okay. Wait,
good
let
stuff.
me just finish my
yeah.
box.
Yeah,
Come
she's gonna
on.
finish her box.
Levi's.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
There's something worth
New
value.
with tags. High-rise boot cut.
Boot cut.
Maybe these will fit me.
Are they women's or men's?
I think. I don't know. Oh.
Are they actual denim? Yeah, they're black denim.
All right.
That's sweet. That could be like $100, couldn't it, Levi's?
No, I don't think there's much as you
Sure.
think.
All right, looks like I got a couple pair of shoes here.
All right.
Maybe. Is this shoes? One shoe.
Oh, no.
One Doc Martin looking shoe.
Oh, is it a real Doc Martin?
I don't know.
If it was real, I'd be so bummed that there was only one. No, it's not real.
Fake Doc Martin, one of them.
Sad that there's only one.
Although here's another pair of shoes. Maybe it's the other one. Oh no.
What
Those are
size are
sweet.
those?
All right, so, yep, whatever, okay. Brand new white Pumas.
I want those. They're way too
Styling.
big and too small for
Oh.
you.
They were worn once, but they have the tag. They have the sticker still on the sole, so maybe they're just worn for one
What size
time.
are they?
They are
11. So close.
women's 11.
Oh.
Women's size 11,
Whoa. Okay.
but
Let us know.
still
if
some
that's
value
you.
there.
Let me do my last one.
Okay, there.
Oh, scary.
Lethal Beauty. Ooh,
I can't. What kind of costume
Might be a
is
little-
this? A little
little
risque.
risque costume there.
It's a size large. Should I wear this when trick or treating with my children?
No, you're gonna wear the shop worker costume.
That's it. That's my box.
I think I beat you, but the Levi's are good. That's a good
Yeah.
find. Water pick,
Okay. If it's not used.
taped up.
Yeesh.
Definitely can't sell a used water pick. Even an opened water pick, I don't think. All the stuff's still in plastic, but you want a water pick? Yeah, it's used.
Yeah.
Used water pick is
I don't think so.
no go. All right, what do we got here?
Whoa.
Oh, this Lego brand Orchid
That's a pretty good one.
Lego stuff is expensive.
That's
So,
sweet.
And it's a pretty cool one. I've never seen something like this. Usually it's like Transformers or
See if
whatever.
it's in plastic because the box is cut.
Okay. Oh yeah.
That's
Looks like
probably
they're just-
why they put it on a pallet because the box was damaged.
Oh yeah,
It
damaged
probably
box,
wasn't
but it's
even returned.
unopened.
That's a
So
sweet
that's
Lego.
a good find. That has some value, I know already. So
Yes.
sorry, I won.
You definitely won. That's okay. I'm happy for you.
And then exercise baby bouncer. So definitely something you could sell on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah.
No one likes to pay full price for baby stuff that's going to be used for like
For
1
sure.
month. So
Yep.
winner right here.
Yes, we don't even have to do an MSRP, but that's okay.
As you can see, if you were trying to get into reselling and you bought this one, you would have been very disappointed and probably not do it again. Where if you got mine, you might be like, okay, I made my money back, plus some. As I was editing this video, I realized that we made a horrible mistake and that I actually did not win. Sarah won as far as the MSRP goes.
I was just as shocked. So that just goes to show that you don't really know the value of things until you look them up. So the Amazon coffin was new to us today. This is the first time we've done that. I think it's a really great way to get started into pallet flipping, to see if you actually like selling items, to see what you get. It's a very low cost of entry, but our personal favorites so far are still the Amazon monsters, but there's lots of options out there. You can get Target pallets, Wayfair, there's really anything you can imagine.
Yeah, and actually we talked today to our friend Will over on Financial Wolf. He is going to be flipping a Home Depot return pallet. He paid $1,000 for it. So interested to see how that turns out for him. So go check out his channel. He's got awesome side hustle content over there. So I think the MSRP error that we made really illustrates some of the nuances with liquidation pallets and selling liquidated items. One, you're not going to know the value of everything as you open it, and unless you look it up, like Sarah said. But also it's important to know that the MSRP is not the most important thing. Some of the items will be more sellable than others. So you could have a really high MSRP of mac and cheese on a pallet, for example, but if you can't find a way to sell that mac and cheese, it's pretty worthless.
And some things will sell better on eBay and better on Facebook Marketplace. We have done a lot of this. We've made a lot of trial and errors. So let us know if you have any questions below. We've definitely tried a lot of different things.
And some things sell unexpectedly well. Like, for example, that white suit we just opened may actually sell first before anything else.
I don't know if now that you wore it, it's not really new anymore.
True. Maybe the Green Witch costume will sell first. You just never know, so you got to list it and just kind of see what people want. We like to estimate 40 to 50% retail value of what we can get for stuff that we resell.
Yeah, so if something is MSRP selling on Amazon for $100, we expect that hopefully we can get $40 to $50 for it.
Yep.
So those are kind of our
average,
numbers. Yeah, on average.
But when you're buying returns, a big part of the strategy is volume. So the more stuff you buy, like if you buy an entire pallet, your chances of getting burned are a lot less than if you buy a small little box like this. So
yeah, because if you on a big pallet, you'll probably have 50 items, and so hopefully you can resell 35 of them. Where this, I can probably only sell a couple out of the 10 items I got.
It's maybe a little bit more of a risky type of reselling because you're not hand picking the items, but
it's a good way to dip your toes in it though, to see if you even like the reselling process. It's a lot of communication, it's a lot of investigating products, listing. It's kind of a lot. There's a learning curve that goes into it, so it would be good to start with one of these to see if you even enjoy the process.
It's time. If you made it this far in the video, you're in for a treat. So we'll be right back. We're gonna put on these costumes. As promised, if you watch this far in the video, you see our swag, our drip, coffin drip. What do you think?
Spooky.
Thank you, thank you. We will link in bio, link our like to know it so you can.
I'm sorry, I can't.
You got any banter? She's got no banter.
You look like you're going to a classy wedding, and I look like I'm about to get under a truck and fix it.
Happy Halloween, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye. You want to see the dad dance?
Yep.
Play some music.
Keep going.